In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Boxel Rebound to Chrome. If you want a quick and easy way to play Boxel Rebound directly from your browser, Chrome makes the setup very simple. Boxel Rebound is a fast-paced jumping game you can launch right inside Chrome, and it comes with more than 50 levels, multiple themes, unlockable skins, and even a built-in level editor. That means once it's installed, you're not just playing the main game. You also have the option to create and share your own custom levels with the community. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser, since extensions and Chrome apps are installed through it directly. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions and browser-based tools are available, so it's the safest and most reliable place to install Boxel Rebound. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Boxel Rebound. When the results appear, select Boxel Rebound by Doppler Creative. This helps you confirm that you've chosen the correct listing. You should also see details mentioning that it's a Chrome game with over 50 levels and a built-in level editor, which is a good way to verify you're on the right page. After opening the Boxel Rebound listing, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to install the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. This step allows Chrome to complete the installation and add Boxel Rebound to your browser. Once the installation is finished, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. It looks like a small puzzle piece. In that menu, you can find Boxel Rebound, and if you want faster access, you can pin it to your toolbar. Pinning is optional, but it's a helpful shortcut if you plan to play often, because it keeps the game icon visible at all times. After that, Boxel Rebound is ready to use. A quick tip. Once it's installed, you can simply click the Boxel Rebound icon in your Chrome toolbar anytime to launch the game without opening a separate website. That makes it especially convenient for jumping into a level quickly whenever you have a few free minutes, and that's all it takes to add Boxel Rebound to Chrome. Once it's installed, you can start playing right away, explore the included levels, unlock new skins, and try building your own custom stages.